Solve for x. The natural logarithm of x plus the natural logarithm of the quantity x plus 1 minus the natural logarithm of 2 equals 3. Let's find the value of x. First, we'll apply the formula for combining terms, meaning we multiply them. We'll use this multiplication formula in our exercise. Next, we'll use a formula to subtract terms, dividing them as needed. We'll apply the subtraction formula in our next steps. Now, we'll use definitions to easily solve for the unknown. To clear the fraction, we'll multiply through by 2. Next, properly distribute each term inside the parentheses. Let's carefully rearrange the equation to simplify. We'll use the quadratic formula to find potential solutions. It's time to calculate. Let's solve the expression. Always remember, there might be two solutions, one with a plus and one with a minus. We'll determine the domain of definition next. Here's the domain of definition. With it, we'll find the solution. And that's the solution to our question. Great job!